Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy 2-minute updo. To start, I'm going to put the hair into a ponytail about mid-height. I'm then going to create a hole behind the elastic going from the left to the right, and I'm just going to pass that ponytail to my fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a sideways twist. Then I'm going to apply some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture. Please ignore the burn marks on my arms, I should really be more careful. Next, split that ponytail in half so you've got a bottom and a top section, and then bring the bottom section up to the top and over to the right hand side. And I'm just going to create a small hole with a topsy tail tool and pull that bottom section all the way through. I'm then going to do the same with that other section of the ponytail, so I'm going to go upwards just on the right hand side of that twist, and again pull that ponytail through the hole. Now with the tail ends, just divide them into 3 equal parts and do a regular braid, securing them with an elastic at the end. And I'm just going to secure that hair on the left hand side with a couple of bobby pins. Then pinch and pull your braid apart so it's a little bit more voluminous, and then I'm just going to take the tail ends and pass them through the elastic one more time, but only pull them part way through to create a loop. Take the braid over to the left hand side and tuck the loop underneath the braid, and then secure it to the head and continue fluffing out that braid so it's a little bit bigger. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.